Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I'm doing my makeup. It's definitely beginner friendly. This is just my everyday makeup. I am trying out this L'Oreal True Match. It's a serum corrector. It's in the shade C3. I just got it probably like a week and a half ago. So I'm kind of still learning how to use it, the placement, the color match. It's a little bit lighter, so trying to correct different areas, I kind of am seeing that it's like pointless, but it does do a good job of like brightening up my under eyes. So I'm using this foundation, like what, flat brush. It's a travel little mini brushes. I got them from Amazon, so they're all linked. But I like to use this when I'm just applying like any concealer or even just putting like foundation on. I'm all about like the simple makeup routines and just kind of seeing if it works for my skin and if it lasts all day. So then once I kind of get it all situated, and sometimes I feel like just using your fingertips does a better job of blending the concealer in. So for my all over like foundation or whatever, I'm using powder. It's by MAC. It's the shade Medium Golden Mineralized Skin Finish Natural, and I'm just kind of just spreading it all over. I love these makeup brushes. I got them from Target, this one. And then I just recently picked up this palette from Sephora. Someone else recommended it on TikTok. And I got the medium shade. There was like a fair one. I always feel like I struggle with my undertones and finding the one that works for me. And I'm still learning how to apply this. Goes on so it goes on so much. I guess it is very like pigmented. I was afraid it wouldn't be, so I'm kind of still working, getting used to like how I'm gonna blend it in. I feel like the blush, especially with this brush, I was thinking it would be less when I applied it with this brush, but as you can see, it kind of like goes on strong, and it doesn't seem to blend too well. So like once it's there, it's there. So I'm still like trying to figure out how I want to learn how to use it, or if I just want to return it. I do like the highlighter that comes with it. So I just picked this up. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Air Finish. I am using Fair, and I got these little sponge, whatever you call. I got these off of Amazon, and I just kind of am patting it on. But as you can see, like with the blush, it kind of looks like I got sunburnt now. But I mean, hey, it's summer, so whatever. I have been loving it. I got the mini size of that one, and it works really well. Okay, so I'm using another of the brushes from the travel. Sorry about the noise in the background, but it's a clean brush, and I'm trying to kind of blend everything in so it's not so intense. And then this is a brow pencil. I think it's the shade Spike. It's from MAC. I am a MAC girl. I do love their stuff. So I'm kind of trying to broaden and like try out new things. But this eyebrow pencil, I like my brows super natural anyways. So this does a really good job. What I've learned is just to fill in any areas that are, hold on, my dogs. Okay, so like what I was saying with this pencil, it does a really good job. It's like a very good shade. I like to just kind of fill in any of like the sparse areas of my brows. And then I'm using this Fenty highlighter duo thing, and I really like it. I'll have to figure out the name. It's the Fenty Mean Money and Hustle Baby is what I'm using. And I'm using it though, instead of like as a highlighter, I'm using it just for the inner. And then I'm going to use the Sephora palette thing highlighter with a Real Techniques setting brush. Setting brush, and help kind of put the highlighter in. Like I said, I'm still kind of trying to figure it out, and I put some on my nose, but I don't want to look like Rudolph. So this is just like your Revlon eyelash curler. I feel like you definitely need to curl your lashes before you put on mascara, at least if you have my lashes. And then this is, you guys, my favorite mascara of all time. It's the Ilia Limitless mascara. One of the reasons why I really love it, I just do like a coat, but one of the reasons why I really love it is because doesn't smudge, it doesn't speck, it is good all day, and then it's so easy to remove with like water, and I'm not like tugging at my lashes. I'm 35, so I really want to be careful with that area. And then I just picked this lip liner up. It is, look at the shade match, it's like so good. It's Soft Suede from the Sephora brand, but I just heard that Sephora is redoing their lip liners, I think. So I'm really hoping that they're going to keep the same one. Otherwise, I definitely need to go and pick up a couple just to have as backup. And then I'm going to kind of, I keep to my natural shape, like my lips are fine. And then I just kind of blend it in. And this is the Summer Friday lip balm. I love this lip balm. It's pink sugar. I'm not too like a fan of this smell, but I like that it goes on so well and it's just like really not sticky or anything, so I really enjoy that. And next time I'll make sure I'm doing my makeup in front of the window, not where the lighting's behind me, but this is what it looks like in natural lighting. And I hope you guys have a great day and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys!